Hey guys, Carl from the HID Factory, and today we got a motorcycle. Don't know too much about bikes. No, it's a motorcycle. Sorry guys. What we did on this one though, we added our light kit. And again, like most of our kits, we can do it running off your phone. So I'm going to show you that app real quick. And then again, it does color shift. Any colors you need, any colors in between. And let me go ahead with the app. If you know our apps, you're able to control it even further. So these can either come with a remote, which is just your basic RGB colors. You're able to switch with the remote. But with the app, you're actually able to control the colors, control exact hue, tints, if you want to match your bike, if you want to match a certain color. And again, functions like this where you're able to fade between colors, fade in blue, green, black, or any color you really need. So again guys, like most of our videos, we're going to be on YouTube. Please like, subscribe, hit that subscribe button. Should be in one of these corners. And yeah guys, the more people we can get subscribing more videos, the more time we get to do these videos, show y'all what we do here in the shop. We are located in Houston, Texas, but we ship anywhere. If you want to check us online at thehidfactory.com. We're also on Facebook. And yeah, if you guys have any questions and comments, feel free to comment on the video or give us a call here at the shop. Thanks again guys.